my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're like really pretty. Oh, so you agree? You think you're really pretty? Well, I agree too. You're beautiful.
I'm gonna cut my mom's hair using one of the tutorials from my favorite Brad Mondo on
How to cut your own hair at home properly. First of all, you're gonna need some tools in order to cut your hair at home. What you're gonna need is maybe a couple of clips, some shears, some scissors. I would recommend buying some hairdresser scissors. They're not expensive, you can get cheap ones, but at least they have the ability to cut. You also need a comb. And some hair ties. These are just like the tiny little ones. You're gonna need 4 of them. You can do big ones, you can do small ones, whatever you wanna do. Just a hair tie in general will work just fine. And let's bring in my client for today. Can you guess who it is? She's extra really special. Miss Mannequin, come on in, girl, come on in. Hi, beautiful. How are you today? Boop. Wash your damn hair, apply product to protect your hair. Please blow dry, then fully straighten your hair, bone straight.
If you're lazy, you might be thinking, hey Brad, do I really need to do those many steps? And
Just do it!
oh, Brad, calm down. I promise her hair has been washed, blow dried, and although I don't own any hair products, so they might get a little damaged, but yeah, I promise I have straightened her hair as well. And just for a comparison, this is the before condition of her hair. Definitely a lot of split ends that I hope she gets rid of, probably. There is absolutely no volume, no density whatsoever, especially at the bottom, because the shape is absurdly uneven.
So we're gonna part our hair just like how we would part it normally. So if you part to the side, part to the side. If you part it to the middle, part it to the middle. So we're gonna go to the top of the head and you're gonna lay your comb on there and you're gonna find where the apex is. That's the high point of your head, the tallest part. And I'm gonna take the comb from that apex and go right behind her ear all the way down. Right there, right behind her ear. We're gonna take one of our elastics, we're gonna comb it together in our hands, and we're gonna make a little ponytail right where we want our hair cut. If you have a lot of hair, you can do more than 4 sections, that's totally fine. It would be nice if you had a friend there to help, or a mother, or a father, or anything, just anybody, a dog, I don't know.
Dog, I don't know.
We are gonna point cut. Now,
Oh, no.
We're gonna take that section and we're gonna start point cutting. You can also point cut downward, upwards like this, or downwards like this. And that is the first step. I literally, guys, have not done anything off camera to perfect this at all. If you want to get a little more style, if you want to do a little more, we can keep going. We're gonna take the hair and bring it all to the top of our head like this. Make sure it's all nicely brushed out. Super important that there's no tangles, everything is very smooth. And we're gonna take our finger and go through about 1.5 inches up or 1 inch up, just like halfway through that ponytail and let that down. And the rest of it, we're gonna bring up to the top, put the elastic in while holding that tension just like this. Leave it like that. So, bring your fingers to the bottom, hold it like this, and you're just gonna take off that high point. So it's a little bit like bing, bing, bing. Just get rid of that. We don't need that. And don't make this perfect. Don't cut it straight across. Please don't do that. Make it very, very feathered. And don't take off too much. Always have a little bit of fun, and we can add some layering in the front if you so desire to. You can take about 1.5 inches out of the front, and while your hair is just laying flat, look in the mirror and point cut.